Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Breeze for Breeze Media. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the step-by-step procedures on how to check your DV lottery results. Yes, I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedures. Stay with me, don't rush, take your time, get your phone or your computer. It doesn't matter what gadget you are checking on, get your phone or a computer. Let's work it out together, okay? Get it and let's go. But before we jump into the video, there are three essential things we will be needing to accomplish this check journey. The very first thing is you'll be needing your confirmation number. That is the number that was given to you the day you played your lottery. It's on the receipt paper. You'll be needing your last name, which is your family name, the one you used the day you played the lottery. And the third one is your year of birth. When you say year of birth, sometimes people confuse between date of birth and it's only the year of birth that will be needed, the one you use the day you play the lottery. So with these three things, you will be able to identify if you have won the lottery, if you have been selected for the DV lottery or not. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do well to subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I post another interesting video like this one in the days ahead, you will be notified and you'll be one among the very first people to watch that video. Thank you very much for subscribing, and please don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section to let me know you just subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate you for doing that. Not to take much of your time, let's jump into the video. Let's watch.
All you need to do is to get on a web browser, any web browser of your choice. Remember, as I said earlier, it doesn't matter if you're using your phone or a computer. Everything remains the same. Get on a web browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. You get on Google Chrome and you type dvprogram.state.gov. You can see it popping up on my screen because I've used it several times. dvprogram.state.gov. Make sure it has the .gov. You need to show that it's a government website. You click enter. It will bring you to this page. On this page, make sure you select this first one that says Electronic Diversity Visa. And make sure you check the address on it that it ends with a .state.gov. .state.gov. .gov means it is a government website, so know that you are at the right spot. You click on that, it will bring you to this menu. When it gets here, make sure at the top of your screen it has the U.S. Department of State Bureau of Consular Affairs. It has that and it has the logo. Know that you are at the right place. And check, you see at the top it says Electronic Diversity Visa Program. Know that you are at the right spot. The next thing, you roll down a little bit, you click on this check status. You see check status? Click on check status. It will bring you to this other page. You click continue in the middle and it will bring you to this page. This is the final page where you're going to feed in your details. So on this page, it says enter entrance information. That is the information that was given to you after you played your lottery. When you played, they gave you a receipt paper or they send it to your email. That is the information you're going to be putting in here. Let me show you the information you're going to be putting in here. As you can see on this paper that I'm projecting right now, the information where I've underlined, this is the information you need to put in there. The very first thing you'll be needing here is the confirmation number. You look on this paper, you're going to see the confirmation number. There is this number. You put it here on this first spot, right? Here you type in the confirmation number as it is on your receipt. If it is a capital letter, type capital letter. If it is a small letter, type a small letter. Type it as it is on your receipt. The next thing you'll be needing is last family name, right? Last name. Your last name is your family name. The family name that is attached to your name, that is your last name, your family name. Okay, you put it in here on this second spot. The next thing is your year of birth. Most of the times, a lot of people confuse between year of birth and date of birth. Only the year. If it is 19 something, put 1990 this. If it is 2000 and something, put 2000. You get. So, which is the last thing, which is a year. You see, it says YYY. 4 Ys means year. Put just the 4 digits of your year of birth. Then down here, number 4, it says authentication. So you put whatsoever thing you're seeing, whatsoever digit you're seeing in this box here, you feed it in this last box. Okay, you type it in this last box. When you type that in the last box, you click submit. You click submit here. When you click on this submit at the bottom, it's going to give you your result. If your results look this way, it means you were not selected. It says the entry you enter has not been selected. If you have been selected for the DV lottery, let's say you won the DV lottery, you are going to see something like this. You have been randomly selected for further positions in the diversity lottery, blah, blah, blah. So this is how to check your DV lottery.
Welcome back. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was interesting and I'm sure you have learned a lot from it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscription button and subscribe. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that once I post another interesting video like this one in the days ahead, you will be notified and you'll be one among the very first people to watch the video. Please, don't also forget to drop a comment at the comment section, as your comments will help me to improve in my content creating skills. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay blessed.